Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of House of Bugz, where I spookify myself into my favorite Tim Burton characters throughout the month of October. Today I'm going to be transforming into the Queen of Hearts from Tim Burton's version of Alice in Wonderland. First up, I'm going to glue my eyebrows down with some Elmer's glue and a spoolie. So brush them downwards first, apply the glue on them that way, and then brush them back up and add about 7 to 10 layers of glue after that. And wait for the glue to dry in between. My eyebrow hairs are so thick and long and coarse, they never stay up no matter what technique I use. It's so bizarre, but for most people, this is the technique that works out best. So give it a shot if you've always wanted to try to block out your brows. Next, you're going to wipe around the eyebrow area to remove any excess of glue that is lingering on your skin. Next up, I'll be covering those brows with Mehron's Creamblend stick. This is in the white shade, and then I'll be applying this to the rest of my face as well. For the Queen of Hearts eyeshadow look, I'm going to start off by tracing the eyeshadow with a liquid lipstick. You could probably just use an eyeshadow for this. Basically, I'm just mapping out where I'm going to draw on her eyebrows and then fill in the eyeshadow. Next, we're going to draw on the eyebrows with Kat Von D Beauty's Dagger liner. Literally just use any liquid liner. It is the easiest and will stay on the longest if you're wearing this out. For eyeshadow, we're going to go into the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette and take the shade Filter for this. It's best to pat on the eyeshadow, especially over your eyebrows, so you don't disturb the glue that you put down over them. As soon as I added the eyeshadow over my eyebrows, this is when my eyebrows started turning on me. I don't know why my eyebrows never cooperate, which is why I never do looks that require me blocking out my brows. Now we're just going to add some white eyeliner to open up her eyes a little bit more and some super dramatic lashes, because you know I like my Tim Burton characters to be very glam. I don't remember what pair these are, but I know they're from the Bold Face makeup, so I will link them down below, along with everything else that I use for this look. And then I'm going to add some very dramatic bottom lashes from Rouge and Rogue. This is the style Mist Fury. I just chopped them up and I'm going to add 3 around the eye. The Queen of Hearts has a little mole on her cheek, but I wanted to stick to the hearts theme, so I'm grabbing the Milk Makeup tattoo stamp in the heart shape and I'm just going to press it on. For lips, I'm just going to be using Lime Crime's Velvetine in New Americana, and I'll be applying that heart shape with the Furless Cosmetics Precision Eyeliner Brush, and then filling that in with the liquid lipstick itself. Today's costume and crown are from Leg Avenue, honestly the perfect one-stop shop for Halloween costumes. The wig is from Annabelle's Wigs per usual, and if you want to know where everything else is from, I will link it in the description down below. While you're down there, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and to subscribe to my channel on your way out. Thank you again so much for watching, and tune in next time for another episode of House of Bugz.